So it's Thanksgiving today. I'm gonna be eating at Golden Corral later, but first I'm gonna show a tutorial of how to shoot M4 AirSoft. I gotta get the camera steady. Yeah, that should be good enough. Alright, so what you want to do is, well, first you can go like this or this. Like, you can have it bigger or smaller, or you can even take the stock off like this. You have to make it bigger and then do that, and look like some terrorist, I guess. I don't know. But I'm gonna aim it like this. So you aim, you pull the spring of the M4 because it's spring action. It's not semi or full auto, and then you have to load your AirSoft pellets. They're like white looking. You probably get them at Walmart or Dick's Sporting Goods. And then you aim, and then you fire. One more time. That is how you shoot an M4 airsoft rifle, spring action.